In this video, we'll explore how you can add iTero-compatible labs in your region to your account through myitero.com. You'll learn how to independently browse and connect with a lab you want to work with, making them available when you submit RX forms. Connecting labs to your iTero scanner is available through myitero.com for users with administrator permissions only. Access myitero.com from any computer and log in with your username and password. On the home screen, click on the Settings button and select Practice Settings. In the Settings page, click on My Labs. All labs connected with your clinic are listed here. To add a new lab, click on the Add Lab button. In the search field, enter the lab's name or a partial name and click Search. The system displays all labs in your country matching your search criteria. Find the lab you want to work with and click the Connect button. A confirmation message appears, asking you to confirm the addition. Click Yes to proceed. The lab receives an email notifying them of the connection with the clinic. The newly added lab appears at the top of your lab list with a pending status, and after a few hours will appear as connected. And it will be available for selection when completing your RX forms. That's it! You now know how to connect labs to the iTero imaging systems through the My iTero portal. It starts with iTero.